The ongoing negotiations between the Meghalaya government and the Harijan Panchayat Committee (HPC) have yet to resolve the relocation of residents from Them Ïewmawlong. The Meghalaya government has set a 15-day deadline for the HPC to resolve any outstanding issues. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Meghalaya, reported that a meeting held today, which focused on the relocation of 342 families from Harijan colony, was positive and fruitful. However, the HPC still needs to consult with higher bodies such as the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee to address certain issues. The Meghalaya government has granted the HPC an additional 15 days to finalize these matters, with no further meetings scheduled before the deadline. Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya stated that the HPC would communicate its decision to the state government within this period, emphasizing that the aim is to ensure consensus among all parties involved. Dhar also highlighted that the discussions are limited to the government and the HPC, with no external parties participating.
So actually I would like to inform today we are a very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee. And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as GPC. And we from the government side, we are agree we give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very positive thing I would like to inform you. Yes, this session maybe the last 2 days, we should be the last today, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government, kindly give us at least 15 days from today's itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether a positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision. Do the offer, you know very well, because we haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocations. Because everything blueprint is there. No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they tell, please give us, we need some few higher organizations, the Panjabiti only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today. You see like this, the discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee, there will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's their responsibility fully.
A member of the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee and part of the HPC delegation, Jagdeep Singh, acknowledged that some issues remain unresolved and that the committee has requested 15 more days to address them.
We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days, then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.